Hey guys, here's a quick video showing beta oxidation or fatty acid metabolism. Here's a triglyceride or a saturated fat. It has three fatty acid chains and a glycerol at the top. Enzymes called lipases break up the triglyceride into three fatty acid carboxylates and a glycerol. Finally, the fatty acid carboxylates are broken into acetyl-CoA pieces which feed into the citric acid cycle. Here is the abbreviated form of a part of the triglyceride that we will look at. The lipase that is going to break up the triglyceride has three amino acids, serine, histidine, and aspartic acid, the catalytic triad, that shuffle a proton around and separate the glycerol from the fatty acid carboxylate. Next, the catalytic triad add a water and kick off the serine part of the catalytic triad, and we end up with our fatty acid carboxylate, which is deprotonated at the body's pH, and the glycerol. The fatty acid carboxylate takes a phosphate group from ATP, a CoAsh is added, and the phosphate group is kicked off again. This is called fatty acyl-CoA. Next, a proton is taken off and donated to an FAD, leaving us with alpha-beta unsaturated fatty acyl-CoA and an FADH2. Water is then added and we get beta-hydroxy fatty acyl-CoA. The hydrogen is taken off the alcohol and another hydrogen is donated to an NAD+. Now we have beta-keto fatty acyl-CoA and an NADH. The next enzyme is going to use a cysteine side chain to kick off an acetyl-CoA. And we get a chain-shortened fatty acid thioester. Another CoAsh is then added and a cysteine group is then kicked off, and we get a chain-shortened fatty acyl-CoA, and the whole process starts over again. At the end of the fatty acid carbon chain, a couple things can happen. A, another CoAsh is added, and you end up with two acetyl-CoAs. B, a water can be added and CoAsh kicked off, leaving us with what is called a ketone body. These polar molecules can pass the blood-brain barrier and then be broken up into acetyl-CoA, which gives energy to the brain. This is called ketosis. A minor product is when a ketone body spontaneously decomposes to a CO2 and an acetone, which you breathe out and it smells bad. This is what happens when you haven't eaten in a while and your body starts to burn more fat. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope that this video was useful and it helps you in your studies.